Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cook Cook Cook. Hope you and your family is doing perfectly well. What we are going to make today is a sweet, and I believe all of us love sweets, and especially in India, we just wait for an occasion to celebrate, and our celebrations are not complete without a sweet. I wish and hope that today is a special day for you or one of your loved ones, and let's see how we can make a delicious sweet. So, what we will make together today is a parappu paisam or a moong dal paisam. So, let's see the process of making a delicious moong dal paisam. Let's look at the ingredients required for our moong dal paisam or parippu paisam. So the first is about 3 tablespoons of moong dal and 2 tablespoons of red rice and about 2 cups of jaggery, grated jaggery. We will have to dilute this in water, and about 1 full cup of milk and a handful of cut coconuts and dry fruits. So what I have here is about 10 cashews, 10 almonds and about 15 raisins. I have cut this into two, the almonds and cashew, and 1 cup of milk cream and 1 star anise and 3 cardamoms. So we will require all of these along with sufficient water to cook it and about 4 tablespoons of ghee. So now we can go into the process of making the paisam. Now to begin with the cooking of our paisam, I have my cooker on the stove, into which I will pour in about 3 tablespoons of ghee. And once the ghee is hot, we will put in our cut coconuts. Once the coconuts begin to roast, we will add in our almonds. So we will be adding this in phases. We will start with the almonds because they take little longer to roast. And once the almonds have begun roasting, it is the right time for the cashews to go. After the cashews are in the next 10 to 15 seconds, you can put in the raisins as well. You can now see that our dry fruits and coconuts are perfectly done. So let's take this out of the oil. Here is our roasted dry fruits and coconuts that has been taken out of the ghee, and now we'll proceed to cook our moong dal and rice. The same ghee in which we had fried our dry fruits is still hot, into which we will put our 3 tablespoons of moong dal that is washed and drained. We do not intend to deep fry the moong dal, we just want it to get a quick roast. Once the moong dal has got a mild roast, we will add in our rice. So this is 2 tablespoons of red rice, washed and drained. Make sure you're doing all of this at low flame because we do not want to deep fry the moong dal or the rice. Once you get the aroma of the roasting moong dal, you can add in 2 cups of water to this. Now that the water has come to a boil, I'll put in 1 star anise and 3 cardamoms. We can now close the cooker and let it cook until 6 whistles. Our cooker is done with the 6 whistles, and all of the steam has escaped. So we will now open up the cooker and we will have to start with mashing the rice and the moong dal. Once you're done mashing this really well, now we can bring up the flame or heat and pour in our diluted jaggery. Make sure to strain it while you're pouring to avoid any unnecessary particles. Once the jaggery has gone in, we will get this to a complete boil. Once the water in which our moong dal, rice and jaggery was cooking has come to a boil, we can now pour in our 1 cup of milk. Once everything has boiled really well, the water and the milk that we have poured in, and it has gotten a little thick, now we can add in our 1 cup of cream. And once you add in the cream, you can see the consistency completely change, and We will have to give this one quick boil. Now that our paisam has started boiling, we can add in our dry fruits and coconuts. My paisam is ready, so I've turned off the stove. After the dry fruits and coconuts have gone in, not much of cooking or boiling is required. One single boil should be sufficient to give you your perfect Parippa Paisam or Moong Dal Paisam. I will now serve this out to see how it looks. Our Moong Dal Paisam now is perfectly done, so you can celebrate your special moments and occasions with your family and loved ones. So do try it at home and let us know what you feel about it. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.